Portugal e-Visa 2023. How to obtain an online visa for Portugal. Whether you're a traveler seeking the picturesque landscapes, rich culture, and historical charm of this captivating European nation or an individual considering a long-term stay, Portugal's e-Visa offers a convenient and streamlined process for obtaining the necessary travel authorization. Portugal e-Visa 2023. The Portugal e-Visa platform is a recent addition to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs' new consular management model. It represents a step forward in the ongoing drive to fully digitize the visa application process. The platform introduces several innovative features, including a reserved area accessible through a single login, where applicants can conveniently view their submitted forms. Upon registration, users can enjoy the benefits of a single registration, password change, and easy editing of personal data. Portugal e-Visa requirements. Please note that you may require different supporting documents depending on your visa type. The following are some of the general documents required to apply for a Portugal e-Visa. 1. Your passport. 2. Passport size pictures. 3. Travel health insurance. 4. Your travel itinerary. 5. Proof of financial support. 6. Letter of invitation from sponsors, if needed. 7. Proof of accommodation in Portugal. Portugal e-Visa application. With the new system, applicants gain enhanced visibility into their visa application process, allowing them to consult all their orders conveniently. The inclusion of a questionnaire in the visa application process helps to determine the specific type of visa that applicants require, streamlining the application procedure. Moreover, the e-Visa platform allows applicants to attach the necessary documents directly to their visa application, simplifying the submission process and ensuring all required materials are readily available. To register yourself using the Portugal e-Visa platform, you can follow the steps below. 1. Visit the Portugal Ministry of Foreign Affairs official website. 2. Register yourself with your email. 3. Receive the confirmation code from your email to activate your account. 4. Click on Apply for a Visa, and fill out your personal information to determine which visa that you need. 5. Fill out the application form with your personal information such as identification, travel documents, passports, travel itinerary, references or sponsors detail in Portugal, if you have any. Other necessary supporting documents. 6. Click Submit. Portugal e-Visa status tracking. After applying, you can receive a personal access code that allows online tracking of the process, which is split up into 4 stages: registered application, application under examination, application granted or refused, and visa issued. Portugal e-Visa fees. Fees for the Portugal e-Visa are structured as follows. 1. General fee. The standard fee for most e-Visa categories is €80. 1. This fee is applicable to short-term visas for purposes such as tourism, business, or family visits. 2. Reduced rate. Some travelers may be eligible for a reduced rate of €40. 2. It is essential to check whether you qualify for this lower fee when you apply, as it can significantly decrease your travel expenses. 3. Temporary stay visa. If you are planning a limited period of stay in Portugal, the fee for a temporary stay visa is €75. 4. Residency visa. For those seeking long-term residency in Portugal, the fee for a residency visa is €90. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.